Hey guys, so as I was just working, I started laughing. I had to record this video. I was like, you know what? I need to stop and I just need to record this video. There's so many of you that were like me, that were like, hey, let's start this business, X business, so we can make, so I can just start making money. I just want to make money. And I just want to tell you how wrong that is and how it's literally not going to get you anywhere. In fact, it's probably going to set you back, unfortunately. I just had this happen. So that just fell over. This kind of stuff happens all the time. No big deal. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, and oh, by the way, I'm in a hot warehouse. I'm sweating. It's 9:30 in the morning. I've been out here for a couple hours. And it just hit me. It's like, God, if I hated doing what I'm doing, how the heck could I ever succeed doing this? You couldn't. You guys, you can't. You have to love what you're doing. You have to be excited by it. I didn't wake up. Oh, and here's another thing. It's Memorial Day. Everyone has today off. I'm working. I was excited to come work today. So there's so many things where you guys are setting yourself up to fail and you don't need to. It's like, if you're watching my videos right now and you're one of the 600 and something followers I have, if you don't love books, if you don't love being a reseller, finding deals, what are you doing? Like, unsubscribe. Seriously. Do yourself a favor and unsubscribe. And that's not, that's not coming from a place of being mean or anything. It's like, I want to help you guys too. So, if you're just looking at this as like, oh, I'm going to make easy money. This is not easy. This is such a hard business. You guys kidding me? Do you know how hard it is to do a book business? I mean, I'm not even talking mentally. I'm talking physically. It's super demanding. Each one of these weighs 1,000 pounds and you lug these around all day. So, it's so far from easy. And I hope that if you are watching this, you just realize that. And you just need to have a reset. You need to think what is important to you, what you like to do that's fun, and try and figure out how to make money doing what's fun. And if you can't make money doing what you think is fun, just do it for a hobby, and stop wasting your time. Because I'll tell you one thing right now, if you try and do a bulk book business because you think it looks like it's easy and you can make money, you're going to fail. Straight up. You're going to fail. And, I've already seen people trying to approach it from that perspective and just out of the wrong mindset overall. And, I have consulting clients for this. And one of the things I do is I vet people before I do it with them, because obviously I'm looking out for that. I'm looking out for their financial situation. I'm not going to take on people that don't have money to actually be a success at this. So, I can catch on to that really quickly when I'm talking to somebody, if they're bought in or not, if they actually, would want to do something like this. Why are you doing this? That's one of my main things I ask. Why are you doing this? Oh, to make money. No, that's not going to work. So, it's just something, you guys, I had to shoot today. I was like, I was scanning and I was like, you know what? I got to just stop and shoot this video, because hopefully my hope is that, one, it reaffirms people who are like loving this business and they see something like this happen. They just, the reaction should be, here's a great thing. This is how you're in the right place. So if you saw this and your reaction was to laugh and remember when it happened to you, if you can laugh about that, you're in the right place. If you look at it and you go, oh my God, that looks miserable. Like, I would hate for that to happen to me. Like, I can tell, like, you're not going to make it and you're not in the right business for sure. But guys, have a great day. Most of you have it off, I'm sure. If you're working, keep working hard, keep feeding the beast. I hope that video helped. If it can just help one person realize they shouldn't do this, that's amazing. If it helps people unsubscribe that are following this to try and make money for the sake of making money, I won. That's great. And if, it gave those of you who are committed to this, a good laugh and a little motivation to keep pushing through and reaffirming that you're doing what you're supposed to do, I won. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Memorial Day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.